This video is about Logic's membership lists and memberships tracking. For this example, we're going to use the Ole Miss membership list. First, let's go show the awards tracking. Most memberships, you can also track awards to see how many members you've worked, and so let's just set that up first. Go to, whoops, let me do that so you can see it. And let's get it to the Ole Miss. Just check and make sure everything's set up correctly. Okay, it's enabled, it's an integer, it's a number in other words, 5 digits. We're going to track awards for this. This is, if you want to log the call sign to have it log the number automatically. This is to have it do it only under certain conditions. I think anytime we work Ole Miss, we're just going to always want to get the number copied into the QSO. So I'm just going to click Always Copy. Show you another example of this. Let me get the 1010. Okay. And there it's copies only if the band is 10 meters. You can set that up using this filter form that you see a lot of in Logic. Okay, so we've got that set up. We've got, let's go back here on the log screen. Review the video on user-defined fields. If you have any questions, I'm just going to go through this quickly. Going to click on the little Waiterman menu. I'm going to go to user-defined field 4. Okay, double click that. Okay, and again, we don't want to check this because that means if you work an Ole Miss number once and the second time you log an Ole Miss number, the second QSO you put in, it's going to automatically pre-populate with that. So this isn't something you want to use that for. I'm going to say okay. There's my Ole Miss number field. We could start logging Ole Miss numbers now and it would keep track. So we could do progress checking on that. Progress 1, select Ole Miss. Okay, now we work somebody. It'll tell me, we log an Ole Miss number, it'll tell me if they've been worked before. What it's not going to do yet, or what we haven't set up, is the ability to automatically log an Ole Miss number. So I'm going to go to Tools and Setup and go to Memberships List. Let me move that over so you can see it. Tools, Setup, and Memberships List. I don't know why this flies to the left like that. I think it's a Windows 10 thing. Okay, go down here to Ole Miss number. Okay, I've already got some Ole Miss numbers in there. If you're having any trouble, these are the ones that come when you install Logic. In most cases, you want to just, import them again. In fact, what I'm going to actually do in this case is delete the list first, because there was a problem where Ole Miss changed the column layout of their import file apparently, and it didn't get imported to Logic properly. So that didn't happen here. It happened between the time when I made this old factory list and a recent update. But I'm just going to go ahead and delete that to make sure I get new data. Okay, go to Internet and import Ole Miss membership list. Okay, came up behind that window there. I'm going to click download. It takes a little time to process. The only advantage to not deleting the list before you import is that if some members drop off and are removed from the list totally, Logic will just leave them there but mark them as deleted, okay? So, okay, got 9,139 records. Okay. If you import a list that wasn't previously on here, in fact, like I just deleted Ole Miss, it's not on there. I need to hit refresh, and there I see Ole Miss, and I see all the numbers there. If you want to see if you're on the list, click there, type in your Ole Miss number. Okay, there's your number, or you can do this. You can go put in your call sign. Okay, so there's KA4TLC's number. I'm going to go ahead and do 1010 while we're here, just to, I'm not going to delete this one. Okay, this one window popped up to the left here. I'm going to download that. While we're waiting on that, I'll just mention that some of these memberships, the websites go down, the addresses change. The format of the download file can be changed. If it's just a change of an address, usually you can fix that yourself. If it's any data format kind of thing, we have to fix it here. So just post on the forum or let us know some way that this or that membership doesn't work anymore. And if you know where the new URL is or know anything about it, put that with your information too, and we will get that fixed. Okay, so we're done with that. Tools. Okay, this is handy. This will go back and go through all the QSOs in your logs and update. I could go through and put all the 1010 numbers back, and I could tell it to do just 10 meters. Okay, or just do it the easy way. Go up here. Band equal 10M. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, see, I typed in band equal 10 meters. Click OK. And click OK here. It'll populate your log missing 1010 numbers. A lot of lists have names, so you can do that too. Okay, I don't have any QSOs in this log, so it didn't update anything. Okay, so let's go log somebody. Close that. Just letting me know that there's I deleted the membership I deleted Ole Miss out of the table before I installed it, and just letting me know that there's some space in there that could be recovered. I'm not going to do that now. Going to go to, okay, let's just put in KA4TLC, press tab, and there I got the Ole Miss number I've not worked in before, okay? Another little neat trick is go to Forms and Memberships. Okay, there we go. And it shows me KA4TLC is also a 1010 member. He's a logbook of the world user. These are other user lists here I can manually look up. Let's look up the VA4PGM. Okay, another very active ham. And he has, see all the memberships that he's with. So it's just kind of interesting to show up and to leave, when you work somebody and, then you could go check here to see if I was, see if I've worked him on 1010 or not. I could go up here, open another progress window, or just select the 1010 on here and say, hey, we could try 10 meters, okay? So that's about all it is to it. Very nice, very flexible feature in Logic. By the way, any memberships that we don't have. We're interested in supporting more of that. There is I think actually a generic import utility for. We have one for list. I'm not sure if we have one for membership where you can just import almost any spreadsheet or tab or comma delimited list. I can't remember if that's. I think that is. Just on list of valid values right now, but we'll be adding that here too. So very powerful feature. Enjoy it, and thank you for watching.